Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Eli and Alona and Birdie. Birdie's just flown in and today Birdie has had his first drink of water.
You're drinking your water.
Good boy. Good boy.
Look at him.
Hmm?
Come on.
Good boy.
Such a cutie.
Good boy, Birdie. See, now you know. Water. Water. Too big. Good boy. Good boy.
You're drinking mommy's cup.
More?
Hey?
Water? Too big. Too big? Mm-hmm.
Feed me now.
More?
Feed me now.
More?
And the little boss is eating now.
I was hand feeding him, but he got a bit impatient. He likes being hand fed, so. I was feeding him by hand, he likes being hand fed, but as soon as I stop for a few seconds, he gets impatient and tries and. Wait, can you feed me? Little one, gentle.
Looking good, buddy.
Good boy. You like these sunflowers there, don't you? Easy. Oh, my finger! My finger! Birdie.
Gentle, birdie.
Right. Good boy. Come over here. And you drink some water. Want some more water? Want some more water? Hey?
Super duper cutie, buddy. Oh, phew.
Hello.
Hey.
Girl chickens. I've never seen girl chickens fight like roosters. Want some water? Ready? Water? Yeah.
Leaving now.
Ready? Oh, water.
He just drank water.
Bye. Bye, Birdie. Bye, Birdie. And that's Birdie. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed our tiny little movie for today. Until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.